influences on microbial growth, salt tolerance, and pH testing. So the first part of the exercise is I'm going to perform salt tolerance testing. Flame it as usual. Flame the lid. And then after that, then I'm going to get the SRVCA active culture. And I'm also, this is for the SRVCA. And I'm also going to flame the tube. And I'm going to pipette 2 drops. So this is my pipette. So I'm going to pipette 2 drops of the broth. One. Then I'm going to flame the tube again. Before I return the lid. And do that with all the cerevisiae. And then I'm going to do that for the last one, for the 15%. Again, flame the lid. And then pipette 2 drops. Return the cap, and then I'm gonna put this on the bleach. Then I'm gonna flame the tube, the lip of the SRVCA culture before I return it. So same thing, I'm gonna do that with the 1% of S. epidermidis and to the last one with 15%. So flame the lip again, then add 2 drops. Oops. To flame the lip. So I will just go ahead and put this onto the bleach. And then I will flame the lip, the active culture, and return it to the cap. So this is the first part of my salt tolerance testing. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a photograph of all of my broths, incubate it for 48 hours, but I will come back after 24 hours. And then on to my next one, I will go ahead and do my salt tolerance testing. Again, this is Marian Quintana. Today is June 12, 2019, and I'm here to perform the salt tolerance and pH testing. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the lid of the S-Epi pH 5. I will flame the tube, and then I will add 1 drop of HCl onto the pH. So this is pH 5, S-Epi 1. And then after that, I will flame the tube, or the lip of the tube. And then I will do the same for the S. cerevisiae. pH 5. So same thing, I'm gonna flame the lip. And I'm gonna add 1 drop of hydrochloric acid. Okay. And then I'm gonna again flame the lip. PH 5. And then I'm gonna get S-epi9. And I'm gonna flame the tube, the lip of the tube. And this one I'm gonna add 1 drop of sodium hydroxide. And then flame the lip. And then I will do the same on S-cerevisiae pH 9. Again, flame the lip. And then sodium hydroxide, 1 drop. Flame the lip. But I will not do it on the pH 7 for both S. epidermidis and S. cerevisiae because they are already adjusted to pH 7. And they require no additions of acid or base. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna get my S. epidermidis culture. Okay. And then I'm gonna pipette 2 drops of S. epidermidis into each of the S. epi pH broths. So, same thing. I'm gonna flame the lip. So this is the S. epidermidis, and I'm gonna get a new pipette for this. Okay, so I'm gonna get the S. epidermidis. So I'll get pH 5 S. epi. I'm gonna insert it. I have already sanitized that. S. epi, pH 5. And then I'm going to add 2 drops of S. epidermidis to all the 3 broths. So 2 drops. 1, 2. And then I will flame the lip. The epi. And this one too. So this is epi 5. And then I'm gonna do the same with S. epi 9. And then I will just flame it before I return the pipette. And then I'm going to flame this as well. And then along with S. epi 7. The same thing. Gonna flame the lip. And then I will pipette 2 drops. return the pipette. Okay, and then I will do the same with the SRBCA. So I will flame the lip to return the lid, and then I will get my SRBCA, flame the lip, then I'm gonna get my SRBCA bra, I'm gonna get a new pipette, and I'm gonna insert drop two. And then before I return the pipette, I will flame the lip again. Same with this. Flame the lip. This is pH 5 SRBCA. And then I'll get my SRBCA pH 7. Flame the lip. 2 drops. And then I'm gonna pipe it before I return my tube. I pipe it. Same with this. And then on to the last one, which is my pH 9 SRBCA. Pipe it 2 drops. And then again I will flame it. Same thing with this. And then I will also flame this again to return for future experiments. After that, I will just take a photograph of it and I will return or observe it for 24 hours.
Hi, my name is Marianne Quintana and today is June 13, 2019, and I'm here to give you an update regarding the broths that I incubated or that I cultured. So for the pH 5 broths that I have, I noticed that almost all of the broths have a turbidity on it. It became cloudy from pH 5 SRBCA to pH 7 pH 9 SRBCA, along with the pH 5 S epidermidis up to S epidermidis pH 9. But on the other side, on my saline broths, I noticed that most of my S epidermidis 7% sodium chloride, S cerevisiae with 1% sodium chloride and 1% sodium chloride of S epidermidis became a little bit cloudy compared to the first time that I did it. But the S cerevisiae 7% sodium chloride and then S cerevisiae 15% and then S epidermidis 15% are actually all clear right now, somewhat similar to when I first did it, but the rest are cloudy. So I'm gonna incubate again the rest of my broths and then I'll give an update after another 24 hours. Thank you.